Welcome to this short What's New video for Smart Electrode 1202. I will briefly introduce the revised interface for the import of electrodes. Regardless of the source of the CAD models, for example old libraries or suppliers, there are a number of reasons why external electrodes must be announced in Smart Electrode. For this task, the import functionality is useful. The comment can be started in the ribbon of the electrode assembly directly. Besides Creo part files, you can select neutral formats as IGES or Step 2. If necessary, the file is imported into a new model and inserted into the electrode assembly. It's necessary to select a number of references in order to capture the model as completely as possible. After successful import, the electrode can be moved to the correct location. You can now use most of the functions like modeling comments, interference check and calculation of effective burn area. Even drawings can now be created for this electrode. This functionality supports a usage of old or external electrodes within the electrode assembly and makes you more independent from the source. Thank you for watching. That's all we have. I hope it wasn't too disappointing. Till next time, take it easy. For further information, please contact us directly. If you liked this video, subscribe to our channel here. We present you periodically the latest features of our software products.